Question 1. Which animal hangs upside down and moves slowly? Answer A. Sloth. Question 2. Which brightly colored frog is poisonous? Answer B. Poison dart frog. Question 3. Which large cat lives in South American rainforests? Answer B. Jaguar. Question 4. Which bird has the largest bill? Answer B. Toucan. Question 5. Which monkey howls loudly to mark territory? Answer B. Howler monkey. Question 6. Which animal has a prehensile tail? Answer A. Monkey. Question 7. Which nocturnal cat is native to the Amazon? Answer A. Ocelot. Question 8. Which mammal glides between trees? Answer C. Sugar glider. Question 9. Which animal uses its long snout to eat ants? Answer A. Anteater. Question 10. Which rainforest layer do parrots live in? Answer A. Canopy.